What if I told you your fence could last decades? The secret? It's all in how you protect it. Today, we'll break down the top ways to keep your fence looking brand new, no matter what Mother Nature throws at it. Step 1. Choose materials that stand the test of time. Not all fences age the same. If you want minimal upkeep, go for vinyl or metal. They don't fade and resist weather damage. Prefer a natural wood look? Cedar and redwood have built-in oils that protect against rot and sun damage. Step 2. Sun and water. The silent fence killers. The sun's UV rays can dry out and fade your fence over time. Meanwhile, moisture leads to rot, mold, and warping. The fix? Apply a UV-resistant stain or sealant every few years to keep your fence protected against both threats. Step 3. Keep your fence clean, but do it right. Dirt and mildew don't just look bad, they break down the material over time. Use a soft brush and mild soap for regular cleaning. And if your fence needs a deep clean, power wash it on a low setting to avoid damage. Step 4. Protect against weather damage. Rain, snow, and wind can speed up wear and tear. If you live in a harsh climate, make sure your fence is properly sealed and reinforced. Planting shrubs or installing wind barriers can also help protect your fence from extreme weather conditions. Step 5. Small fixes prevent big problems. A fence doesn't just fall apart overnight, it happens little by little. A quick fix now, like tightening loose screws or sealing small cracks, can save you from expensive repairs later. A strong, beautiful fence starts with the right choices. Whether you're planning a new project or need expert guidance, we're here to help. Call 781-767-3596 or visit kaonfenceinc.com to get started today.